In this video, I'll go over for in and for of loops in JavaScript. For in loop is used to iterate over enumerable properties of an object, and it will give as the result only the key values of the array. So in this array, in the first iteration, it'll give the value 0, and then it'll give 1 and then 2. So let me run this example. As you can see, it gave 0, 1, 2, which are the keys for this array. So if you wanted to print the values, you'll have to put like this, and then if you open it up, right here now it gave the values. So for in is used to get the keys of the collections. Now for of is kind of similar, except it instead of giving the keys, it gives the actual values. So if I put a for of, and then I don't need to have this, and if I run this now, it should give 1 in the first iteration, then second time when it comes it'll give 2, and then third time it'll print out 3. So as you can see, it gave the 1, then 2, then 3 as the result. You can also loop over strings in a similar way. If you have like hello world, and then I'll try to do it with for in first. So the first time this will have the index or the key of the h, which will be 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, and it will print that out. So let's run this and launch it. As you can see, it gave all the indexes of the array. If you wanted to print out the actual value that it was giving you, you'll have to again do it this way. As you can see, it gave hello world here. Now for of will work in a similar way as previous example, except it'll still give the value instead of the key. So if you launch, here you can see it gave hello world again. The only difference between for in and for of is that for in loops over all enumerable properties of an object, and for of loops over all objects or all elements of any collection that has the iterator property. So if you go back to the previous array I had, let's say if you add something like a dot h hello, and then put some value here, and let's try with for in first. So you should give all the keys when I print out the value. So let's run this. As you can see, it gave the 0, 1, 2, and the hello key, which I had added right here. However, when you try with for of, it'll have a slightly different behavior. It will only loop over these, and since this doesn't have the iterated property, it won't uh, count this. And if I run, it should give 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, it gave 1, 2, and 3 and ignored the hello key and did not print out world. So that's pretty much it for of and for in loops. Thank you.